The Nike Zoom Vomero 5QS leather delivers a refined mix of classic performance and modern style. This pair stands out with a rich brown-based color scheme featuring pony, dark russet, and sail, creating a balanced look that feels both warm and premium. The full leather upper adds a smooth, slightly glossy finish that elevates the design while also improving durability for everyday wear. Detailed stitching across the panels and toe box enhances structure and gives the shoe a clean, three-dimensional appearance. The iconic Vomero silhouette blends a solid build with a lightweight visual feel, making it versatile for both casual and lifestyle use. A sail-colored midsole adds contrast, while Zoom Air cushioning in the outsole ensures comfort, impact protection, and reliable traction on the streets. Rooted in Nike's performance heritage from the 2000s, this model keeps the original spirit of the Vomero line while updating it with premium materials and a more lifestyle-focused appeal.